overhand weave, and then turning, and you can do your 2 beat instead of the 3 beat, turning to the clockwise hip reel. Then what I want to do is turn left into the underhand 2 petal vertical flower, and then go into underhand weave from there. And then we'll turn back to overhand weave on the right, and we'll do it again. So I like to call these continuous combo loops, because you can start anywhere in the sequence and loop through the whole thing and come back to where you started. So on your right hand side, we're starting an overhand weave. We're going to bring it down into clockwise hip reel split time. Then we're going to turn left. Now, as I turn left, right here, when my right hand comes to the front side, I'm going to come up into the 2 petal flower from there, right? So I'm in the hip reel. As my right hand comes to the screen, or my front, I'm going to bring it all the way up into the 2 petal flower, and then I'm going to come down into the underhand weave and turn back right to the overhand weave. Then I open it up into the hip reel. As my right hand comes to the front, I'm going to turn into the 2 petal flower, and then I'm going to come down into the underhand weave and turn right to overhand weave. And third set, come into the hip reel. As the right comes to the front, bring the right hand up to the 2 petal and down and up and down. Now come into the underhand weave, turn right to the overhand weave. And fourth set, we're going to turn left 90 degrees into the clockwise hip reel. When the right one comes to the front, come all the way through up to the underhand 2 petal, and then come down into the underhand weave and turn back to the overhand weave. And you've now done, in theory, 4 sets of that.